In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Smartsheet with SharePoint using Make.com step by step. This integration allows you to automate workflows between Smartsheet and SharePoint so you can sync data, trigger actions, and eliminate manual work completely. If you're managing projects in Smartsheet and storing documents or lists in SharePoint, this automation can save you hours every single week. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important setup steps. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple software automation tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Make.com. Once you're inside your Make dashboard, click on Create a New Scenario. This is where we'll build the automation between Smartsheet and SharePoint. A scenario in Make is basically your automated workflow, and it connects different apps together. After clicking Create Scenario, you'll see the module search screen. In the search bar, type Smartsheet. When Smartsheet appears in the results, click on it. You'll now be asked to choose a trigger or action. For most integrations, you'll start with a trigger, such as Watch Rows or Watch Changes, depending on what you want to automate. Select the trigger that matches your use case. If this is your first time connecting Smartsheet, Make will ask you to create a connection. Click Add, then log into your Smartsheet account and authorize access. Once connected, choose the specific sheet you want Make to monitor. This tells the automation where the data will be coming from. After configuring the Smartsheet module, click the plus icon to add another module. In the search bar, type SharePoint. When SharePoint appears, click on it to add it to your scenario. Now choose the action you want SharePoint to perform. For example, you might choose Create an Item if you want to send Smartsheet rows into a SharePoint list, or Create a File if you want to generate documents. Select the appropriate action based on your workflow. Just like before, you'll need to connect your SharePoint account if you haven't already. Click Add, sign in with your Microsoft account, and grant the necessary permissions. Once connected, choose your SharePoint site and then select the specific list or document library where the data should go. Now comes the important part, mapping the fields. You'll see fields from SharePoint on one side and data coming from Smartsheet on the other. Simply click into each SharePoint field and select the corresponding Smartsheet data from the dynamic content panel. This ensures the correct information transfers automatically whenever the scenario runs. After mapping everything, click OK to save the module. Now test your scenario by clicking Run Once in the bottom left corner. Then go to Smartsheet and trigger the event, such as adding or updating a row. Come back to Make and confirm that the data successfully appears in SharePoint. If everything looks good, turn on the scenario using the toggle switch at the bottom. Your Smartsheet and SharePoint integration is now live and running automatically. From this point forward, whenever your trigger condition is met in Smartsheet, the action will instantly happen in SharePoint without any manual input. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Smartsheet with SharePoint using Make.com. This automation can dramatically improve your productivity and ensure your data stays consistent across platforms. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more automation and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.